Hey guys, I'm Bob from Totally Unique Life, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Tuff Stuff stain remover and multi-purpose cleaner. I spent a little bit of time yesterday using a Simonize foaming upholstery cleaner on my daughter's passenger seat. She got some stain on there when she was in college. One of her friends dropped something on the seat and she hasn't been able to get it out. I tried yesterday with 2 applications of this Simonize kind of cheaper version, and it basically looks the same. I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to try this Tuff Stuff and see if that will do the trick. It's fairly easy to use. It just says shake well. Hold can upright and spray liberally on hard surface or carpet or upholstery. Spot stain to be cleaned. Let foam work for 30 to 40 seconds. Scrub scratch resistant surfaces with bristle cap. It comes with a bristled cap right here, which is kind of cool. Wipe clean with dry cloth. I'm going to use a shop towel to wipe it clean. So let's give it a shot, and I'm going to show you the stain right now. So here's the stain. It's kind of like a whitish material. Don't know what it was. It looks exactly the same as it did before I applied the Simonize foaming cleaner. So I'm hoping this Tuff Stuff will make a big difference in how it looks. So hopefully it'll pull out the stain. It's going to be a big test because I thought that the Simonize would remove it, but it didn't. So let's give it a shot. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm gonna shake this Tuff Stuff stain remover and multi-purpose cleaner. It's made for car floors and car upholstery. So and I have my shop towel right here. I'm gonna actually pull one off and pull that up there. So you actually don't have to pop off the top. It's actually a hole right there. So I'm going to just depress. They say to leave it on for 30 to 40 seconds. And then I'm going to kind of scrub the scratch resistant surfaces with the bristle cap. Okay, it says wipe clean with dry cloth. So far it looks 100% better. But this is what happened with the Simonize that I used yesterday, the foaming cleanser. It looked fine at first, but when it dried, the stain was still there. So I'm going to give it some time. Let's let it dry and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is after 2 hours of drying. It's still not perfect. Still has a little bit of the white film on there, so I'm going to give it another application and wait another couple of hours and check it out. So here it is after the second application, and the stain is completely gone. The seat looks beautiful. So it appears that Tuff Stuff stain remover and multi-purpose cleaner works. So I'd appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, especially if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.